All right, so lesson 1.5 is going to be very different than just taking notes like we've been doing. Because in lesson 1.5, we're going to be learning about parent functions, which really just involves memorizing what functions look like in their simplest form. So for the in-class students, what we're going to do is we're going to start with analyzing each parent function in small groups, and you're going to practice the skills that you have been learning, like domain and range, increasing, decreasing, that kind of stuff. You're going to practice that, but applying it to parent functions. That's part one. So I'll show you what the students in class are going to be doing. You don't necessarily need to fill out all this information because there's only a certain part of it that's super important for us, and I'll explain that in a minute. So here's one of the slides with your parent functions. Basically, up here at the top it says identity function. Beside it gives the equation of the identity function, and then there's a graph shown. In class with students, we're going to go through and review what's the domain, what's the range, y-intercept, increasing, max min, continuous, odd, end behavior. We're going to go over all that stuff that we've been working on for this identity function, okay? The main thing for you is, it's good to practice those things, but the main thing for you is that you see the name of the function, the equation, and the picture of the graph. And I did put ordered pairs, like little dots on each graph to show some key features. So there are 11 of these, okay? And you'll see they're not all filled out in case you want to try, but there's 11 of these. If you see a dotted line, just an FYI, that means there's an asymptote, so it'll never cross that dotted line. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making flashcards, because your ultimate goal is to be able to recite the name, the equation, and draw the graph of each of these parent functions. So you're going to go to the next video, and I'm going to explain to you how I want you to make your flashcards.